This is Franklin Etsey Hassey, a software engineer and dietitian with over 6 to 7 years of experience in the tech industry. He's been managing complete event solutions for clients, from B2B owner events to small and large-scale conferences. Where reliability isn't optional, it's critical. He discovered Eventin while searching for a solution to manage nutrition and health-based events, and he didn't just test it, he used it in real client projects. Fast forward, he has now managed over 125 plus events and handled more than 30,000 attendees using Eventin. And according to him, he faced zero technical hurdles. In this video, Franklin shares why Eventin holds up under pressure, what matters most when you're building a fully automated event management system for real businesses, and how he scales clients for long-term success. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Franklin Hassey. I'm a freelance software engineer, and I use Eventin to create a complete event management system for my clients. When we are talking about events, listing, ticket sales, we are talking about scheduling and attendee management. Eventin top it all. It makes my work much easier, and it's perfect for clients who host conferences, workshops, training sessions. And Eventin saves me a lot of development time because it handles complex event features out of the box. Talk of their dashboard, talk of their attendee list management, talk of their scheduling, talk of their reminders, talk of the integration into Zoom, Google Meet, WordPress, Elements. I keep on mentioning, and it's so easy to customize, right? And it gives my clients full control after their launch because they still have dashboard to manage their event systems, and it helps me deliver professional, ready-to-go event website for my clients. And I recommend Eventin to other developers or anyone who wants to use it because it's reliable, well documented, and client-friendly. Their support system is top-notch. Reach out to them email or on the WordPress. They are just so ready to help, and it makes managing event WordPress so effortlessly. An event for non-technical people, you are so covered when it comes to website management with Eventin. And if you build for clients also, please just go for Eventin. And Eventin makes the job easier. It makes life easy for me as a developer. It will be easy for you as well. So go for it.